Samantha, why really miss you, thanks you follow me buddy. Gee Willikers, why really go now, my friends will scared.
Okay, mate, bye.
Hey, this is our boys. Wait, why they armored, also why they a lot.
You ever tell me back, mate, or else I'll really piss you. Howdy, folks. I'm just saying today with this recording. Anyway, Samantha's girlfriend still on the animation, and I was still trying to make something good, like voice acting or something like that, but they will coming soon. Stay tuned and eat your business while things are sponsored from the Post Price Music. Damn, I really needed something freaking pizza.
I'm Mr. Ring-a-Ding, I make your heart bells sing. Please don't make me laugh, just take my autograph. Now take my jokes, my lovely folks, cause I know just one thing. For I am he, oh yes, I'm Mr. Ring-a-Ding.